Hey guys, Jack Gleason and welcome to my home office. In today's video, I'm going to be going over everything I got on my screen, how I use my setup, and what I keep on my desk. Let's get started. So basically what we're running here is I have a stand-up desk. Okay, this stand-up desk goes up and down. Let me just show you this. And we'll just B-roll later. And then back to standing up. Sitting all day can be really bad for your back, your posture, so I try to stand at least 2 hours a day, sometimes more. I think that's, if you can afford one of these, they start at about $400. This one is a little bigger, ran me about $1,400. I got it on Uplift, so you can Google search Uplift. Right here, this is a barnwood, refurbished barnwood top. I kind of like the look, to be honest. If I were to do it again, I probably wouldn't get it because it's so heavy. This desk probably weighs 150 pounds total, which is extremely heavy, and that is without the equipment. And these monitors each are, I think, about 5 to 8 pounds. They're pretty large. But I have a couple of options here that really kind of racked up the cost. The keyboard tray, I have a holder for my PC, the preset settings for the up and down, which is really convenient. All kind of brought this up. On top, this is the 72-inch version. I believe the shortest, they started about 42 inches, so that makes it a little more expensive. But I spend so much time at my desk that I might as well spend the money. It's just like a bed. You better have a good bed because they say people spend a third of their life in bed, although I don't like to think about it that way. Moving on to my monitors. Each one of these monitors are the same manufacturer. They're called BenQs. They're 4K monitors, 32 inches right here. Now, this might look strange to you, but all it is flipped vertical. This is the exact same monitor as this monitor. They are the exact same. That monitor is just turned. I have it on a swivel arm, so I can actually, back here I'll show you, looks a little shoddy, but this is basically a hydraulic swivel arm that is gripped onto my desk. It also has USB exports, and I have HDMI cables running from it as well as a power cable. So I have two of these BenQ 32 4K monitors, and then I run two 27s. So this is my main monitor that I'm actually broadcasting during the day. I'm broadcasting I'm gonna go through these markets. I have the Dow, the Russell, the S&P, the Nasdaq, oil, and gold, and those are the 6 primary markets that I'm doing my trading on. To the right, over here, I keep basically conversations, Discord, Skype, and also right now I'm watching the Elon Musk Joe Rogan podcast. So sometimes I get a little distracted when I'm trading, but a lot of trading is just kind of waiting around. I'm currently in a position, so I'm just waiting for that to exit. So I keep myself busy web surfing like anybody else would. And then on the left-hand side here, this is where I do a lot of my screening. So any markets that I'm not trading outside of my primary 6, I'm running all of my scans. So my indicator scans, this is called my pinch indicator scan. I'm running Super Bull, Super Bear, hour up, hour down. These scans are gonna tell me which one of the markets actually are trending up or down. The cool thing about the way this software works, this is Thinkorswim software for anybody who's curious. The charting software I use is Thinkorswim. My order execution is Tradeovate for futures. If I actually click on any of these markets, it's going to populate across the screen. I have a 15-minute, 30-minute, hourly, 4-hour daily. So this is where I do my multi-time frame analysis. Real quick, I can just click on any of these markets. It'll just bring it across, and I can see a quick glance of where are the levels of support and resistance I need to be concerned about. A couple of other items I have on my desk. Check out this guy. If I was a statue, this would be me. Okay, I got my coffee, got my mouse pad. Even though I have 4 screens, this guy's got 3, and I sit on a spoon. Although I try not to sit a lot, but I'm running a Blue Tech microphone. This is the Raspberry, I think it's called, not raspberry, but Raspberry. And it's about 180 bucks, I believe. This is where I do my broadcasting, record my videos, very good sound quality. And we got a couple of stress balls. All right, so you always, in trading, kind of get a little ADD, so pump and grind right here, pump and grind. I have an iPhone X, so during the day, I don't actually have my phone on me right now, but I'll just rest it here and turn it on sleep mode so nobody's bothering me. I like to have my phone next to me, but I don't like to be distracted when I'm trading. I also keep a calculator on my desk, just a simple calculator, nothing fancy. These are huge, guys. Right here, blue blockers. If you don't have a pair, get a pair. I wear these almost all day long when I'm trading. Looks super goofy, but what this does is it blocks out the blue light that your computer's emitting. It's super toxic, blue light. People don't realize how bad it is for you, and if you're not protecting your eyes, you're definitely gonna need glasses. I already wear glasses. I cannot see far, and in fact, I can't even drive without glasses legally. So something to keep in mind, guys, get your pair of blue blockers. I have a bad habit of looking at my phone before bed, whether it's quotes or social media. Some of you guys probably agree with me. So I actually have multiple pairs of these goofy things. These ones being the most intense and most goofy looking blue blockers, but the screen looks completely different. I'll show you guys what it looks like. We'll cut to that. So those are a couple things I keep on my desk. Always wear protection. Duh. And then I have just a simple legal notepad. Take notes on whatever. It could be related to business, it could be related to trading, but I'm constantly taking notes, writing it down. And in order to take notes, you need a notepad and a pen. And then every single week, I print this out. This is the Forex Factory Economic Calendar. So just go, if you Google forexfactory.com economic calendar, you can print this out. I only pay attention to the Red Star and Orange Star events. These are the major economic news events that are going to impact the market during the trading week. On top of that, keep a little motivation. He's a little dusty right now. But McLaren, I think this is a 570S. I want one of these one day. Don't have one yet, but one day I will. Let's see what else we got here. This is just a notepad that I keep. I write down all of the trending markets every single day, morning and night. These are the uptrending markets, these are the downtrending. So I take notes on uptrending and downtrending markets every single day, and I pull those levels actually from my Super Bowl Super Bear scan. Let's take it to my PC. I'll show you guys what I'm running here. You can see under there, got some cool LED lights. I'm running 32 gigs of RAM. I'm actually not even positive what type of graphics card I have in there, but it's enough to handle all of this. I have 5 different outputs, so I could actually run 5 monitors on this computer screen. And this is what I do every single day, guys. That's kind of a little bit of a breakdown, insight into my life, what I'm looking at when I'm trading from my perspective, because when you guys see me talking, if you're ever in my trade room or if you ever watching my YouTube videos, you're only seeing this screen. But there's a lot going on here. Don't be intimidated. You definitely don't need this intensive a setup. You know, this is just something I bought for myself because I wanted to, I guess. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. That's all I got for you to hear today. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe on my YouTube because I just got my stop filled. Take care.